Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Barista of big business, pouring you a latte of financial freedom. Risk more than others think is safe. Dream more than others think is practical. These are words of Howard Schultz, founder of Starbucks. Today we all recognize that Starbucks is a global titan. The annual revenue is somewhere north of $26 billion. Think about that. But do you know that when Howard Schultz started the company, most people thought he was nuts? $5 for a cup of coffee? That's not practical, it'll never work. That's what most people said when they heard about the wave of trendy cafes sweeping the country. They didn't understand the why or the how. But when you think about it, Howard Schultz wasn't really selling coffee. He was selling a dream, a lifestyle, an image. And the world has never been the same since. Howard Schultz put into practice what every great entrepreneur knows. Big dreams plus big risk equals big success. He knew that selling high-end designer coffee wasn't a practical idea, but it was a dream he was willing to risk everything to see it come true. When I decide to buy an undervalued company, there are a lot of people that question the practical side of my decisions. But I've come to understand that some of the greatest rewards come from the most impractical opportunities. So the next time someone tries to discourage your ideas by pointing out how impractical they are, tell them to wake up and smell the coffee. Few great success ever came from practical thinking. They almost always come from someone who's willing to risk more than others think is safe and dream more than others think is practical. I've given you latte gold with cream and sugar and Splenda. Now run with it.